right, just did the little morning harvest with my lady. This is what we picked up. Hey, Destiny, right here. Look at that. These lettuce, all this right here. Took out my little slicer because today for lunch and to take some to my mother-in-law, some nice roasted brown chicken breast. Look at that, that looks good. Slice it up. Heading to the shop. I got a 2-color print, white and black ink on a black Bella canvas shirt, and I have to create the shadow. Let me show you how I did it. I'm gonna separate this really good. I already did. So all you gotta do is just take out the black. You see the white and the shadows. Logo. So if you notice, there's a shadow on the image. What I did, I separated it and I got this. So what you want to do here is you want to duplicate this layer, and then I turned it red. So the way you go, if you want to turn it red, just go to filter, gallery, and then turn it red. Now I put the logo and then I moved it. I moved it to make sure that everything is perfectly aligned, and I'm gonna have to move it just a little down and a little more to the side, right there. And there, I create the shadow. When it comes to a sandwich, it all starts with the bread. You want a real hearty bread. I always love, this is my favorite type of bread, the ciabatta. Oh man, it's delicious. And when I slice it, you see that I don't leave no hinges. I don't leave no hinges on it at all. Because once you leave it there, I get these sandwiches that have the hinges, they set it up, but everything then goes here and you have nothing here. Me, I like to split it up. Just make sure that I could put all the ingredients here and then fold, and you get an even bite of this ciabatta bread. So what I like doing, all my ingredients, the chicken, the cheese, tomato, lettuce, all that is gonna be room temperature. But what I like to do with my ciabatta bread is go toast it. Here's my little area to toast. Got it nice and open right here. Boom, boom. Toast it up real nice. Close it up. And there it is. Now, let me go set up these screens. So here's the bread, nice and toasty. Hear that? Once I open it up, look at that, nice brown, toasty. So the bottom part, what I'm gonna use, so it will keep all the sogginess inside. The bread won't get soggy. I put all my cheese, and what I'm using is Munster cheese, one of my favorite cheeses. And I wanna make sure that I get it all around the bread, all around the bread. You see that? Like that, like this. Put it over here, cut it right there. So whenever you get a bite of everything. Everything. That is the cheese part here. After I already layer my cheese, the next thing that's gonna come is this nice roasted brown chicken breast, which I broke it down real nice so I could just get everything around the bread, everything. And I'm gonna put a lot of this chicken around. because I want to get a good bite of the chicken. Look how nice. Ooh, sliced it up real good. And I think this is good enough. All right, the next layer has to be some type of lettuce. You could use romaine lettuce, iceberg lettuce, does not matter. But me, from the Gardein, I like this little tatsoi. This is, a tatsoi is more like a family of the cabbage, which is one of my favorite. And then I'm just gonna come and just cut it up real nice. Right there. And then I'm just gonna come and sprinkle it around. I don't like a lot of it, but this lettuce is one of my favorite. Tatsoi or cabbage, that's my favorite lettuce. Then I'm using a brown tomato. Tomato is real, just don't overlap the tomato. Just make sure that every layer you get everything there. And that should be good enough right there. And there goes this nice tomato. Put a little bit of olive oil. Do not use extra virgin olive oil. Use 100% olive oil. And then I'm gonna use some of this vinegar. You could use red wine vinegar, but I love my white vinegar. There it is. Beautiful. And then just come with some salt. Always season everything whenever you're cooking, always season it with salt and pepper, man. And there it is. Perfect. Some mayo, and the mayo is what sets it all up. Hellmann's mayo is one of my favorites. And there it is. Now that you already have it, now you wanna come, just close it up. And there goes the sandwich, you hear it? If I want to split it up right now, there it is. Here, look at that. Looks so delicious. Right, here it is. Beautiful, beautiful sandwich. Look at this. Oh, nice and crispy. Let's give it a bite. Oh man, so delicious. This is the best chicken sandwich you can make, okay? So if you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Be thankful always, be grateful always, and just let God take you on the right. Peace out.
Yeah.